We started, as said, already 5 years ago. We called it Global Product Digitalization Program, which is in essence, part of it is track and trace. And we found being Movilitas a good partner in supporting us in the work there. We are now heading into a phase where we have done a lot of work already, but we find now small gaps in the overall solution, and that still needs to be tackled and worked on. I think, therefore, we continue the journey with Movilitas. I think when you start programs, you have always a vision, right? So, and you think where to go with this specific solution. And we focused in the beginning very much on the production side of things, where you usually would tend to when you think about the operational technology you need to put in place for traceability. Now we found that, even downstream, so for all the warehouses, for all the logistics partners, down even into the distribution and into the selling part, and at the very end, even the final customers or our farmers, all of them are somehow linked into this as well, and we need to find the right solution and the right technology to support them being part of this as well. There are still gaps to be closed. Afterwards, you always a little bit more than before the program. So yes, there's always something to learn. I think, at least for me personally, it was the combination or the connection between an IT team and then also the production facilities where you have the operational technology. We have seen conveyor belts, filling stations, packaging robots and so on. And all these things need to come together that you then can at the end provide a full solution. And that was really a learning to see that all these things are required to make it work. Lots of results as part of the 5-year program so far, not only in the production and supply space, also in the marketing and in the commercial space, where we could support use cases like loyalty programs, anti-counterfeit programs, grey market changes as well, so that we have been able to trace back our products much more precise than we have been able before.